Kia ora everyone, Tiare Tawera here with another workout for you guys. Hopefully you're excited. I'm always excited because why? When you train, it's just epic. You get a good feeling, right? So finally, get ready today. We're going to be focusing on biceps, triceps, core. It's going to be another epic workout. And guess what? The only thing that you need is a nice heavy bag with some puka inside, because hey, the book's going to add, and the book's in the bag, it's going to add more resistance. Especially we're going to be focusing on some bicep curls, some tricep extensions. So hey, we want to make sure this is nice and heavy. So make sure you guys, in here I've got around about 8-10 books. Okay, so 10 nākoe, but atu tērā whama, he mahi nui, he mahi pāre kareka, kaingā te aroora. Okay, let's get into the workout. Okay, so first up, we're going to start off with close stance push-ups, okay? So if you can check out my stance, okay, the arms are going to be this way, this far apart, and the reason why is because the closer you come, the more you start to activate the tricep. So with this exercise, it's sort of press-up motion, but we're going to be focusing on really activating the tricep. So nice and close stance push-ups. Kapai. Next up, we're going to go into the uarua. So we're going to focus on the bicep. I'm going to start off with just doing normal double time bicep curls, really trying to emphasize the squeeze at the top. What tends to happen is people start going really pacing themselves and not actually activating the reps, activating the muscle and really getting quality reps. And so I'm going to come up, squeeze at the top, and we're going for 10 reps. So once again, 10 repetitions for every workout. This is going to be a 300 repetition workout, nice and easy. Hit the, get straight into the workout. Boom, done, dusted. Next up, we're going with overhead extensions. Okay, you're going to hold the bag like so, elbows sort of this far apart, and you're pushing up. And what you're going to do is really push through the tricep, kapai. So if you can, try bring the triceps in as close as you can without hurting yourself, and pushing up right there. It's a really good workout to really activate the triceps. So tricep overhead extensions. The fourth workout is going to be weighted crunches, okay? So once again, today we're doing biceps, triceps, and ngā puku, ngā maihara o te puku. So next up, we're going to go with weighted crunches. You're going to hold the bag on top of you, and you're going to push up and crunch, push up and crunch, push up and crunch. Kapai. So that's exercise number 4. Next up, we're going back into bicep curls, but we're going to be doing single arm bicep curls. Kapai. Up at the top and squeeze, squeeze. 10 repetitions. Switch on to the other side. 10 repetitions both sides. Kapai. Next up, we're going into single kickbacks. Okay. So what I'm going to use here, I'm going to use this wall here just to maintain my balance. You're going to hold the bag like so, and you're going to do kickbacks, okay, like so. By 1, 2, and to look at the position on my body, I'm sort of, arching forward like so, but with the kickbacks, you're really trying to squeeze and emphasize, really get some contraction and really good quality squeezes with the tricep, okay? So body like so, and kickback. There we go, and you're going to do 10 reps per side. Next up, we have Spider-Man push-ups, okay? This can be quite a difficult workout, but hey, it's a really good workout to activate the core muscles, the shoulders, as well as your chest, okay? So you're going to go down. Every time you go down, this knee is going to go to this elbow, and you're going to go back up. 1, 2, and we're going to do 10 reps in total. Once again, if this workout is quite difficult for you, kai te pai, you're going to go back to your knees, and you're going to go with a basic normal press up. Ka pai. Next up, we have plank holds. With the plank holds, we're going to hold for 20 seconds. So I'm really just going to be counting in my head, whānau. So keep yourselves accountable, keep truthful to yourself, but we're going to hold for 20 seconds. So plank hold, puri tia. Atahi ka pupuri mo te āhua rua te kau he kona kapai. Next up, whānau, we have star jumps. And star jumps, plain as simple, whānau. Back into star jumps, 10 repetitions. Once again, if your joints are a little bit mamai, hei kai te pai tērā, you're going to be going to the side, like so. But the faster, the better, because obviously the big purpose behind star jumps is really to activate the cardiovascular system, to get the heart pumping, to get the blood flowing throughout the body. So finally, that's going to be our workout for today. And once again, we're going to be aiming for 300 repetitions Okay, so 10 reps, 10 reps, 10 reps. Throughout the entire workout, throughout the entire session, we have 9 different exercises. And hey, guess what? We're going to be able to do this within the space of 20 to 22 minutes. So get ready, whānau. It's going to be another epic session. Hey, if you need to grab your water, go grab your water now. Get ready, because we're starting in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Okay, close stance push-ups. Nice and close. And let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Bye. Next up, we have double curls using the bag. And we'll go for 10 reps. And 3, 2, 1. And 1, 2. Squeeze. Every rep counts. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. Moving into overhead extensions. And as you're going to see throughout this workout, we're going to really keep as minimal rest as possible, because we really want to get that heart rate going, right? So next up, overhead extensions, 10 reps, and 1. Okay, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kapai. Next up, weighted crunches. Kapai. Let's go, whānau. Toru, whae. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kapai. Next up, going straight into single curls, okay? And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work, whānau. On to the next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Mahi whānau. Now we're going to move into activating the triceps. Over to the wall here. And let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go in 1. Ready, kick it back and squeeze through the tricep. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why? And if you are okay, you don't need to use the wall, but it's really just for balance purposes. Okay, leaning forward and kickbacks. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kick it back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can't play whānau. Next up, we're going to go into the Spider-Man push-ups. And once again, if the Spider-Man push-up is too hard, okay, go to your knees or just go to a normal press-up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And next up, we're going to hold the plank holds for 20 seconds. Okay, really keeping ourselves accountable, counting in the head. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And 1. Kaha. 10 more. 10. 4, 3, 2, 1. Kapai. And last but not least, we're going to go in for another 10. But hey, just because I'm feeling good today, we're going to do 20 repetitions for the star jump. So 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go, whānau. Big ups. Boom. Alright, that is one set done, dusted. We've got 2 more sets to go. Once again, this exercise here, this whole workout routine here, great for the biceps, great for the triceps. Got a little bit of cardiovascular exercise as well. We've also got some exercises that are really targeting the abdomen area, okay? So 9 exercises. Hakiroto, hakiwoho, hakiroto, hakiwoho, hakiroto, hakiwoho. Okay. So every time you finish a round, rest for 35 to 45 seconds. Hey, but for us, we're going to really keep things moving. We're gonna get back into the next round. 2 more rounds to go. And 3, 2, 1. Close stance push-ups. Let's go, whānau. Okay, once again, the reason why we've got it close is to really activate the triceps. Okay, 2 more. Oh, extra repetitions for the road. Okay, next up, a double curls using the bag. Here we go, make sure to really squeeze at the top. 3, 2, 1, and squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Overhead extensions, let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ka pai, whānau, awesome. Next up, weighted crunches. You're doing an awesome effort today. You're doing an awesome job today, whānau. Great effort today. Ka pai. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 akwe. Next up, single curls, okay? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change sides. Awesome effort, whānau. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ka pai, keep that heart rate going. In 3, 2, 1, and kickbacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let's go. 8, 9, 10. Change sides in 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome stuff, whānau. And next up we have our Spider-Man push-ups. And this is probably, it's definitely quite a difficult workout for a lot of people, but if you do start to master these, it's really going to take your press ups as well as activating your core to a whole new level. Okay, Spider-Man push-ups in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, really great workout. Really activating the obliques. And 2 more workouts to go. Plank holds, 20 seconds. Hold it, keep that body nice and straight. Keep that bum nice and low. And really keep the activation in your core muscles. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hey, hold it there. Ka pai. Another trick as well is to really try and push the weight into your calf muscles. That'll really help you out with this workout. 10 seconds. Ka pai. And 20 star jumps in 3, 2, 1. Ten to go. 10. Whew. Ka pai. Mekia. Bah. Āmautuihi, whamaka āmautuihi. There we go. Hey, 2 rounds done. Dusted. Haki roto. Haki woho. Haki roto. Haki woho. Haki roto. Haki woho. Awesome, awesome stuff, whānau. Hey, we've got 1 more round to go. Just before we dive into that, I just want to say this, okay? You can't out-train a bad diet. It's really important for us to understand that, okay? I see a lot of people at the gym put in the hard mahi, but I can guarantee you a lot of people don't see long-lasting results is because they're not dedicating themselves to quality food, okay? So what do I mean by that? Really make sure that you're eating quality micronutrients, you know, quality vegetables, your fibrous carbohydrates, broccoli, green beans, pumpkin, really healthy vegetables. Make sure that it's really important because it's great for your gut health. It's also important for your cardiovascular system, your heart rate, etc., the blood flowing throughout your body. Next up is making sure that you're eating quality protein and carbohydrates. Okay, protein sources, your fish, your chicken, eggs, red meat. Making sure that you're eating quality instead of processed proteins. And finally, carbohydrates are not the enemy. Okay, a lot of people give carbohydrates a bad name, but hey, it's not the carbohydrates. It's just that you're probably eating too much for yourself or not eating enough, okay? So a great app for you guys to use is MyFitnessPal. It's download it, it's absolutely free of charge. But hey, you can monitor what you eat and make sure that you're eating within the calories for your body type. Anyway, that's enough from me. We're gonna move into the last and final round, so let's get it in 3, 2, 1. First stance push-ups, so let's go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kapai. Nearly went for 20, whānau. Anyway, moving on to the next. Okay, right now to wrap things up for today, we're gonna do 15 reps. Okay, next up, double curls in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Overhead extensions. Boy, in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go, whānau. Next up, we'll go to single curls. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 15, 3, 4, 5, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kapai, keep going, whānau. 3, 2, 1, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, crunches. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it tight. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's go. 15. Kapai. Okay. Probably asking yourself, why do we jump ahead? Want to make sure we keep that pump in the arms. Okay. Let's go. Kickbacks in 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, 2, 3. Go to 15. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. To the next side, whānau. 3, 2, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5, 4. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Awesome, whānau. Okay, next up, Spider-Man push-up straight into it in 3, 2, 1, and 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Plank hold, and let's hold that for 20. Let's go for 30 seconds, okay? 3, 2, 1, and hold. 10, 20 to go. Let's go. Ten, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Goodbye. Okay, next up, whānau, star jumps. Let's go for 30. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1. 8, 9, and 30. Woo! Pake wama. Ka mau te wehi, there we have it. Another epic workout done. Dusted haki roto, haki woho, haki roto, haki woho. Breathe into your nose, breathe out through your mouth, breathe in through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Okay, so finally there we have it. Another workout really to target the biceps, triceps, core, a little bit of cardiovascular work as well. Just to add to this, I'd highly recommend throughout the week, if you're doing these workouts with me on a weekly basis, what I suggest is at least do 4 to 5 sessions of 45 minutes of cardio. Okay, so we're allowed to be walking around our streets, go for a nice brisk walk, power walking, keep the heart rate going, keep the heart rate up, and aim for 45 minutes, 4 to 5 sessions 5 times a week. And once again, whānau, don't forget, you can't out-train a bad diet, so make sure that you're eating good quality macronutrients, micronutrients, and quality foods for your body, so you can actually achieve long-lasting results and actually achieve an improved health and an improved physique. So hey whānau, that is us done and dusted. Books, bags, biceps, triceps, core absolutely fired up, and guess what, 20 minutes. Ko mutu katoa ngā mahi. So finally, you have an amazing day. We'll see you next time. That's us. That is a wrap.